Today I am showing easy tip for connecting 3 pipes accurate and easy joint, so watch full video and enjoy. Pick up a white page, then fold around it to pipe and mark it after cut the extra piece of page. Now you have accurate measurement of pipe. Mark half a pipe both side on page, then mark half circular pipe and cut these side. After cutting this sides, fold it around to pipe and joint it with tape, then fold it once and draw full line. After cutting and marking, mark on pipe and cut these all sides from grinder. Then clean the cutting spots perfectly. Notice marking methods properly, it's so easy and fast. Our marking is completed, so we are going to cut these marking on grinder. Its marking is used for your all pipes, so marking on these pipes and cut it as shown in our video. After completing and follow all steps, your job is ready for perfect jointing and welding. Now we are going to weld these pieces properly, and it's going so amazing. I hope you learned a lot from my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you in next video. Take care.